Hey, this is Josh with West Michigan Property Solutions, Muskegon's premier home buyer. Now, this is the truth. Times are tough. Sometimes people go through foreclosure. Sometimes people get divorced. Sometimes people inherit a house they can't afford to maintain. I mean, sometimes people have houses that they can't afford the repairs on, so they can't sell it. Our number one focus and goal is to be the solution to Muskegon's property problems. So this is what I'd love for you to do. If you do have a property problem that you'd like for us to solve, just fill out the form. It's either going to be right here or up here, depending on if you're using the phone or not. So fill that out. We'll get a hold of you. We'll go over your options and we'll figure something out. You have more options and choices than you think you do, and we want to give you those choices. So fill out the form and we'll talk to you soon.